The battle over the Texas abortion pill decision was not something the pharmaceutical industry had initially expected to garner attention. But when it happens, Big Pharma needs to act fast, said Jeremy Levin, CEO of Ovid Therapeutics. We actually thought it was going to get nowhere, Levin told Yahoo Finance on Wednesday before the appeals court decision. When it gained momentum in court, we felt we needed to take action, he added. This came in the form of a letter condemning the Texas decision last week, which now has more than 500 signatories, including key figures like Pfizer and Biogen. The U.S. Court of Appeals for Fifth Circuit, late Wednesday, has offered some temporary relief while imposing significant restrictions on the use of abortion pill Mifepristone. The court allowed continued use of pill, but imposed some limitations and removed the mail-order option that FDA began allowing in January. The appellate court is examining the allegations in the Texas ruling last week. Meanwhile, Justice Department is asking the U.S. Supreme Court to block appeals court ruling and keep widespread Mifepristone access untouched. But how the case will end is something the entire $860 billion pharmaceutical industry is watching closely. In addition to Letter, some companies attended a friendly briefing opened by the drug lobbying group BIO to appeal Texas decision. If we don't stop this, you'll be opening door to the complete removal of Congress's mandate from FDA. Levin added that if a judge could intervene, it would upset the entire drug development process in the United States. Used boxes of Mifepristone pills, the first drug used in medical abortion. Evleyn Hockstein, a litigious business expert, say that although drug development is often a high-risk and controversial business, the decision to ban an FDapproved drug will set new precedent. Drug companies often engage in patent battles or defend against injuries caused by drugs, as seen in the high-profile litigation of opioid lawsuits and the Johnson & Johnson talc case. These are acceptable uses of the court, Levin said, but this case is different. If a politically motivated group can now sue an individual judge and distort decades of scientific and medical evidence without having that experience, you question your entire ability to properly approve a drug, he said. Industry advocates have said this could impact innovation, an argument that has been used before in discussions about drug pricing. That's a valid argument, bioethicist Kayte Spector-Bagdady, interim co-director of the Center for Bioethics and Social Sciences at the University of Michigan, told Yahoo Finance. The FDA and the pharmaceutical industry have a symbiotic relationship, Spector-Bagdady said. The average cost of running the science, clinica,